Hello, little bees. Welcome back. Tonight, we are going to help our hearts feel calm, our bodies feel cozy, and our minds feel peaceful. So snuggle into your blanket, get comfortable, and take a slow breath in. And slowly breathe out. Very good. Take another slow breath in and slowly breathe out. Wonderful. Now listen carefully. There is something important I want you to know. You are safe right here, right now. You are safe. Your bed is safe. Your blanket is safe. Your room is safe. And you are surrounded by people who care about you. Take a slow breath in and slowly breathe out. Good job. Sometimes our minds get busy at bedtime. Sometimes we think about things that happened today. Sometimes we think about tomorrow. Sometimes we worry about little things. Sometimes we worry about big things. But tonight, we can let those thoughts rest. Because right now, you are safe. Imagine a warm golden light shining softly above you. The light is gentle, not bright, not scary, just warm, just comforting, like a hug made of sunshine. The golden light slowly floats down. It touches the top of your head. And as it does, your head feels calm, peaceful, relaxed. The golden light moves down to your shoulders. The shoulders become soft, loose, comfortable. Your light moves down your arms, your hands, your fingers, everything relaxed. The golden light moves down to your tummy. Take a slow breath in and slowly breathe out. Your tummy feels calm. Your tummy feels peaceful. The golden light moves down to your legs, down to your feet. Now your whole body feels warm, safe, comfortable. Take another slow breath in and slowly breathe out. Wonderful. Now I want you to listen to these words. You don't have to say them. You can simply listen. You are safe. You are loved. You are kind. You are important. You are brave. You are enough. You are exactly who you are meant to be. You are safe. You are loved. You are safe. You are loved. Imagine these words becoming little glowing stars. Each one floats gently around your bed. One star says, you are safe. Another star says, you are loved. Another star says, you are kind. Another says, you are brave. The stars twinkle softly, watching over you, helping you feel peaceful, helping you feel calm, helping you feel sleepy. You're breathing slow, your body is relaxed, your eyes are becoming heavy, everything quiet, everything is peaceful, everything is okay. Take one final slow breath in and slowly breathe out. Good night, little bee. You are safe. You are loved. And tomorrow is a brand new day. Good night.